Why do I have a 15 by 15 tarp as well as a box? And I have a pop-up canopy frame. So what's going to happen? Well, today on Lee Does Stuff, we are going to do a hillbilly fix for one of these pop-up canopies. And if anybody's had one of these, you'll realize that the skin or the covering that comes with these frames doesn't last for more than a couple summers. The sun just beats the ever living crap out of them. And then you're left with a really nice frame. And then what do? You go on Amazon or you go to the store to try to find some type of replacement skin. And they're like over $100. And you realize that you can get a whole new one, a whole new canopy, pop up canopy for, around $200. So it's just like, what do I do? Well, I got tired of it. So I don't care what it looks like. It's going to look like crap. But a tarp, this $25 tarp, is going to last way longer than the crap that they put with these pop up canopy tents. So here we go. Let's get started. I got my frame up. And follow your instructions on how to expand your frame and do it properly. I realize that I'm trying to stretch it over, but as tall as I am 6'3". I wasn't tall enough, so I lowered it. And now I'm going to bring this 15 by 15 tarp over a 10 by 10 frame. So I went bigger with the tarp because you have the height of the dome, and plus I wanted a little bit of overlap so that I can use clips to hold down the tarp. So I just didn't want to do a 10 by 10 tarp. I wanted to do a 15 by 15. So basically you want to get it all even around your frame here. I just threw some clips at four corners. So all four sides, not four corners, but right in the middle. Okay. You just want to put a clamp down because the wind is actually quite high today. So now I raised everything back up. And now it's time to start working underneath. So what I'm doing here is I'm just folding the remnants of the tarp around the frame. And I'm going to do this all the way around. So remember see right where I'm kind of grabbing there in the middle, there is that clip on the outside. We're going to deal with that later. But let's just go around and let's cinch the tarp up and let's just get everything as tight as we can to make sure that the wind won't get underneath anything and take it away. So let's finish cinching everything up here. And this is what it's going to look like at this stage of the game. We still have the clips on the outside. And right now, I'm going to show you how we're going to deal with that. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the clip. We're going to find out where the clip is, locate it. Okay, we're going to take it off. And now we're gonna repeat the process that we did the first time. We're gonna re-cinch everything. Let's do it all nice and tight again. Let's re-cinch everything. We're gonna repeat this process 360 degrees. I'm moving left to right, but do it however you're gonna do it. But cinch it up again, and then this time we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna put it on the inside, and we're just gonna keep going along. And this is going to really make everything nice and tight and prevent that wind from really grabbing everything. Okay, so now I have done that, and I'm searching for the middle part of the bar here. And now I'm going to clip the outside to have to prevent rattling and prevent the wind from really taking this thing. Again, it ain't pretty. But we're not going for pretty. We're going for something that's going to last in the sun. And this is going to keep the dog and all of us very cool out here. I don't really care how it looks. There's no neighbors around. It's in the backyard. So what does it matter? I mean, the functionality is what counts here. So here we go. We got it all set up. I am a hillbilly now. Hear me roar. I am the hillbilly. And I love it. I don't care. Thank you for watching. I really hope that this saves you money, time, and headaches. Because you know what? That's what counts at the end of the day, is saving time and money and not being ripped off by these cheap manufacturers. You got a beautiful frame. This is what you do with it. Thank you for watching.